Hi, my name is Ramón and I'm from València, a town near the Mediterranean Sea in Spain. Did you know that my country contributed to the European Union with 8,772 million euros in 2015? Despite that, topics such as diversity, which characterizes the most Europe, have to be faced together due to the fact that only when countries exchange their particularities do we realize that a stronger and more plural union can be made. The 28, we have to work out on really important problems that clearly affect the daily lives of our citizens, taking the digital revolution as an example, a topic in where both young and old have to be taken into account, but without forgetting neither rich nor poor. From southern Spain to northern Sweden, a stronger Europe has to be built so as to stay alive in turbulent times, not overlooking questions related to nationalisms or migrations regarding to the protection of our planet too. Probably, scarcely have we time to solve all these problems, but even if the future is dark, I'll absolutely continue working for the European project because only with a fair and transparent journalism can we preserve democracy, freedom, human rights, and of course diversity. Let's explore what's there.